Hi guys, one of our favorite things to make when we're camping is the Irish soda bread in the Potjie King. It's a quick and easy recipe and it's a really tasty bread. Measure 2.5 cups of cake flour into a mixing bowl. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon of table salt, then add 3/4 of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix the dry ingredients. Then add 1 cup of buttermilk to the mix. Mix the buttermilk with the dry ingredients. Knead for about 2 minutes until it is a nice dough. Form the dough into a ball and place in a poikie, then cut a cross on top of it. I grease the poikie beforehand with margarine. In the meantime, we prepared the Potjie King for the baking of the bread. You will need 10 briquettes on the lid of the poikie and then 6 briquettes at the bottom of the poikie in the Potjie King. Nestle the poikie in the Potjie King. Close both the doors of the Potjie King. Leave for 20 minutes in the Potjie King and then test with a knife. If it comes out clean, it's ready. The bread goes down well while it's still hot with margarine or butter and maybe coffee and jam. The bread keeps well overnight and can be enjoyed the following day. You can enjoy it as a snack on your road trip. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe and hit like. Thank you. See you again.